Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp using our application Lead Manager Ninja. For this, you can open a list view of any of the records you want to send a message. For now, we have selected and open leads. Here you can select any of the existing list views, or you can apply a custom filter as well. For now, let's apply a new filter and remove the previous one. We are applying a filter for all the leads that have a valid phone number. Clicking on Save will save your list view. Once done, you can select all the recorded ones or remove some, if you wish. You can now click on Send List SMS to open the bulk message sending part. Here, you can now again select all the records, or you can remove them if you will. Once done, you can select the WhatsApp channel and select the lead numbers or sender IDs you want to send. In case your business uses multiple phone numbers to send WhatsApp messages, you can choose the number that you want to send the message to leads. Next, you need to insert a template. You can create your templates or use previously created ones as well. Once you select a template and click on Insert, the messages will be inserted into the template. Now click on Send to send the message instantly.